Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for me to share a new nail polish of the week color. In my nail polish of the week videos, I always swatch, talk about, share just one particular nail polish color that is in my collection and yeah, just have some me time, have fun, paint my nails, talk about the base and top as well, and of course grab your nail supplies too and paint your nails together with me. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's start off with the base coat first. Of course, I still have a little bit of gel base and top coat on my thumb because there was a little tear in one of my sidewalls, and it pretty much just helps me to grow that tear out so I can actually just file my nail until that tear is completely gone. But as a base coat for today, I'm actually going to use two different ones, and the first one I'm applying is actually the Repair and Care one by Essence Cosmetics. This one is still in their original nail polish collection. You can still get it as we speak. I think it's been released in fall winter 2020 or something like that. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. I just got a couple of new bases and top coats a little while ago at my local drugstore, or at least I bought them at their online store because I don't really like going out to stores anymore ever since the whole pandemic happened, and I feel like it's a lot safer to just stay at home and order online whatever you want to get yourself, you know? But yeah, after that first coat of base is dry, I am going in with my favorite base coat ever, or at least since the last year, I have to say. This one is by PJR Care nail polish. It is their regular base coat. All of the polishes that I'm using in this specific video I have either bought myself, but this base coat I have actually received from PJR Care to just try it out and stuff like that. Oh, by the way, if you are curious to see some of their colored polishes, which are insanely good as well, definitely check them out after watching this video. I have an entire playlist of PJR Care nail polishes, so definitely check it out. But I am going to do a double base today, and I actually started out with the Essence one because my nails were so dry after doing so many different swatches and designs and just recording a bunch of videos in just a couple of days. My nails really needed a little extra care and oil and stuff like that. Of course, I do use hand creams and cuticle oils about every single night before I go to bed, or at least hand creams I do every single night before I go to bed, because you know, we have to disinfect our hands so much with kind of harsh ingredients like rubbing alcohol and stuff like that, and other disinfectants that our skin and cuticles and nails get really dry. And of course, using a lot of polishes, swatching them, recording designs and stuff is quite harsh on the nails as well in such a short period of time. So yeah, definitely take care of your dry hands, nails and cuticles if needed. But the color of this week's nail polish of the week video is actually one by OPI. This one is from their spring collection, which is called Hollywood. I have done an entire swatch and review video of all 12 of the colors, and I was pretty much instantly in love with this color. This one is called Bee-Hind The Scenes, and I've mentioned this in a couple of my previous videos as well. I'm really into yellows at the moment, and I just think it's a fun, bright, spirit uplifting kind of color, and that is why I definitely wanted to use this one. I would say it is kind of like a pastel yellow going towards a chick yellow. So it isn't like a lemon pastel, I'd say. I feel like it's a little bit more softer than that, but it's still very bright and cheerful and just a happy color, if you know what I mean. But yeah, if you have been hanging around here with me at my channel, you know that, or at least you have heard me mention that yellow colors at least really good yellow colors, are quite hard to get by. So usually if you feel like the first coat is sheer and patchy, because this first coat of this particular OPI polish isn't completely opaque either, but definitely don't worry about that. Don't judge a polish by its first coat or layer, or however you want to call it, because yellows are quite hard to make, especially opaque ones. You need to have like a very white creamy base and then add your color, and I don't know, yellows are just quite hard. I have had my fair share of very bad yellow polishes, and comparing it to this one is actually pretty good, to be honest, because it was like 90 to 95% opaque with that second coat, which you will see in a little bit. And yeah, I'm just really happy with this color. I'm pretty much happy with the entire OPI Hollywood collection, because a lot of the colors are very wearable throughout the entire year. They aren't especially super spring-like colors, but actually pretty wearable colors anytime, any day, anywhere, if you know what I mean. But this color definitely stood out from the crowd in this specific collection, so I really wanted to do a separate nail polish of the week video about it. And yeah, definitely let me know what you think about a yellow pastel-y kind of color like this. It definitely is a bee-like yellow color. In the bottle it looks a little lighter than it actually is on the nails itself, which you will see here as well. I'm actually holding the bottle while doing this voiceover just to see if the color really comes across more pastel-like, or more a little bit of like a pastel, in between a pastel and a regular yellow, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm pretty much in love with this color. OPI polishes are a little bit more expensive here in the Netherlands, but don't forget that OPI is actually a salon brand, so we are pretty lucky to actually get our hands on these, especially if you don't have a nail tech certificate or anything like that, because I know that a lot of you, just like me, have never went to nail school or anything like that. We just paint our nails because we love it, and we teach ourselves everything. You know, if you're like me, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because I've been painting my nails ever since I was a little girl, and I'm not quitting anytime soon either, because I still really love it. There's always something very I think kind of like therapeutic about painting your nails and just taking a little bit of time out of your day or week to actually sit down, relax, paint your nails, maybe even do some cuticle cleanup like I'm doing right here, because you know, sometimes you just simply get the shakes, or you just have a whole like flooding blob of polish into your cuticle area or something like that, especially if you're just trying out or starting using nail polishes. It can be quite tricky. I've been there, I've done that. We all have to start somewhere, and don't be too harsh on yourself if your application isn't flawless. You know, you can always clean it up, and you can always remove it if you don't like the end result. So yeah, it's just nail polishes. Have fun with it and just be yourself, and definitely don't even mind people saying that, oh, you're a guy, you shouldn't wear nail polishes, because you know, nail polishes are for any age, any gender, any, like, how do you say that in Dutch? We say afkomst, like where you come from. It really doesn't matter. Just do whatever you want to do, and at the end of the day you can just remove it if you want to switch it up, you know? That's what I love about nail polishes. It is such a creative outlet and such like a me time moment as well. So yeah, definitely let me know what color you are wearing at your nails at the moment, or on your nails at the moment, and or even what color you are applying while watching this video and painting your nails together with me. But let's get back to the video, because we're almost done already with this whole manicure application. I am going in with a top coat. This is just, I think it's like a 2-in-1 base and top coat by Essence. It is still fairly new as well, and you can still get it online. The Essence base coats are at least, I think, like 150 towards €2, so they're quite affordable, and a little bit goes a really long way as well. I think that the PJR Care base coat was around 12 to 15 euros, so it's a little bit more expensive, but they are 10 free and they are vegan as well. Essence is completely vegan as well. Like, I think most of their nail items are completely vegan, so that's a big plus. And OPI, I'm not quite sure if they are vegan, to be honest, but I think I bought this polish for around 15 euros or something like that. But yeah, I really love the color. Definitely let me know what you think about it. Oh, the OPI bottles, by the way, contain 15 milliliters, which is a very decent size. I will never run out of this color, to be honest, because I have like 2,000, maybe 3,000 bottles in my collection. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.